Welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited because we're diving into a collection of gadgets and tools that are not just useful, but absolutely game-changing. These products combine power, precision, and smart design to make your everyday tasks easier, faster, and a whole lot more fun. Stick around till the end because some of these gadgets will seriously surprise you. And remember, links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Xiaomi Dust Blower. This isn't your regular dust cleaner, it's an absolute powerhouse. With a brushless turbo motor spinning at an insane 200,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers a violent burst of air with a maximum wind speed of 52 meters per second. That means it can handle everything from clearing dust in your keyboard to blasting away dirt in tight corners. It comes with multiple nozzles for different tasks and offers 3 wind speed modes, plus a violent mode for maximum power. The rechargeable 4,000 mAh battery provides up to 70 minutes on the lowest setting, and even on the strongest mode, you get around 8 minutes of non-stop cleaning. Compact, lightweight, and built with ABS plastic, it's the ultimate replacement for disposable canned air. Number 4. IBC Adapter. If you're into gardening or irrigation, this connector is going to make your life so much easier. Designed to fit European IBC containers with S60x6 threads, it's crafted from durable PP plastic to ensure strength and longevity. It features an easy-to-use hose switch faucet, giving you smooth water flow control and even a backup safety valve. Whether you're managing a garden, filling tanks, or working on irrigation systems, this adapter ensures a leak-free, reliable connection. It's a small product, but one that adds incredible value to anyone serious about efficient water management. Number 3. Workpro Staple Gun. This light-duty nail and staple gun is an absolute must-have for DIY lovers. Measuring just 8.86 by 5.31 inches, it's lightweight and easy to handle for extended projects like upholstery, decoration, or small carpentry tasks. The construction combines ABS, PC, steel, and rubber for durability while staying comfortable in your hand. It supports 6 different types of staples, making it super versatile for all your needs. Plus, with dual power modes, high and low, you can adjust based on the material you're working with. It also comes with an ergonomic handle lock for safety and easy storage. If you love doing DIY projects at home, this tool is a lifesaver. Number 2. Shahe Digital Caliper. When precision matters, this measuring tool is the one to trust. Made from hardened stainless steel, it's built for durability and accuracy. With a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 0.03 millimeters, it's perfect for professionals and hobbyists who need reliable results. The clear LCD display makes reading measurements fast and easy, and with ranges up to 300 millimeters, depending on the model you choose, it covers a wide variety of tasks. It also comes with IP54 waterproof protection, so you don't have to worry about splashes or dust affecting performance. Whether you're working in a workshop or on technical projects, this digital caliper ensures every measurement is spot on. Number 1. Atomstack Laser Engraver. Now, here's the ultimate tool for creativity and precision. The Atomstack M4 Pro comes with a dual light source, a 10-watt diode laser for engraving non-metals, and a 2-watt 1064 nmm infrared laser for marking metals. That means you can work on everything from stainless steel jewelry to wooden crafts. It uses industrial galvanometer technology, giving engraving speeds of up to 5,000 millimeters per second, with incredible accuracy down to 0.001 millimeter. The engraving spot is only 0.03 millimeter, capturing even the tiniest details. The best part? It works as both a desktop and a handheld engraver, with a 100 by 100 millimeter engraving area, making it flexible for large or small projects. It's compatible with Lightburn, plus mobile and desktop apps across Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Whether you want to create personalized gifts, engrave logos, or start a small business, this machine is an absolute game changer. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.